So this is the new Croc line. I'll show you really quick. This is new and is replacing the other Crocs. So to me, it is absolutely incredible, and it's amped up in its quality, and I am not kidding. It's raised, number one, so it's got texture to it like crazy. It is sturdy, it is thick. This is an out and about, so that explains that too. But it is of sturdy stock. You can tell I wanted to be by the light so you can really get a look. This has darker features on it, so it's got, you know, some color variation as well as texture. It's absolutely stunning. It's gorgeous. Here's the other one that we carry. Look at how gorgeous it is. Sorry, it's so noisy.
Is it buffalo?
Do you see that? It's stunning. This is literally launching next week. I will announce.
I'm buffalo.
I'll announce day, time, and everything. Here's the wallet in black. This is the Isabella. And then here's what it looks like in the wallet. I mean, check out the quality in that, girls. I mean, do you see it? Very high quality. It's textured. It's bumpy. I mean, it's exquisite. I can't scream enough about it. There's the new Croc line.